Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video I am going to show you how we can delete a file in Linux. So to delete a file in Linux, a simple command that is used, that is rm, and after rm there is a file name you should write with their file extension. So first I go to my start menu and here I open cygwin, that is window based Linux operating system environment for practice. Okay, it is just a Linux based terminal in Windows. So I open it, and after open my cygwin, so first we will show that in my E directory, that is in my computer and E directory, I want to delete a file. The name is new file for practice. Okay, so here you see that the file name, and here now I am inside the C directory, and with pwd command I check. Now I go to the E directory, and after going to the E directory, now I am in the right position where I want to delete the file. So the command is simple, that is rm, and after rm the file name, that is new file dot extension, that is text. Okay, now I enter the file, then you will see the file is removed. Okay, yes, the file is deleted now. So to delete a file in Linux, the simple command that is used is rm, or after rm there is a should be a file name, or delete a folder, the command that is used rm directory. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like, subscribe my channel. Hope to see you in the next tutorial. Allah Hafiz.